Hey there. Hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. And what I would like to do is give you the 3 secrets to creating a very profitable internet business. And listen, stay here for a second because this is going to make sense to you. Listen, secret number 1, when you begin the internet marketing industry, you have to believe in yourself. Now, I know that sounds trivial. You may say, come on, Wesley, it has to be more than that. Listen, most people, including myself, I spent 7 years trying to build a company online, and it wasn't because I didn't have any type of specialized education, because I dropped out of school. The reason was I couldn't imagine a young black kid from the south side of Houston, Texas, actually making millions of dollars online. Listen, this is what I want you to do right now, okay? I'm not going to take too much of your time here. In the comments below, I want you to comment, I can do this. You got to believe that before you get started running ads, before you start creating websites, before you start to grab customers, you have to believe that you can do this, okay? Number 2, you have to persevere. So many people on the internet, including yourself, you give up too quickly. You know, something doesn't work, you cry, you're whining, you're just saying, this is a scam, this is not working. Listen, obviously it's not a scam because people are making money. Hell, last month we did over $1 million. And it's not because I'm smart. I dropped out of college. It's not because I'm special. As you can see, I have a big old peanut head here, right? So it's not the key. The key is this: I persevered and I kept going even when it stormed, okay? So listen, I want you to write that down. You have to persevere through the challenges and the struggles. And this is number 3, and this is the most powerful of the 3. You must find a mentor. Now, what is a mentor here? A mentor is somebody that's going to show you where to turn. Like right now, I'm driving my Lamborghini here. Like if I have my GPS, the GPS will tell me where to turn left, to turn right. So you need someone like that to be able to miss and dodge the mistakes. Make sense? It don't have to take you 7 years, 2 years. Listen, in the next 60 to 90 days, you can change your entire life online. I've seen many people do it, but you need a coach. Listen, below this video here, I have a mentorship program, okay? And it's not going to be me. It's going to be a young lady that I met a year ago. And she was just like most of you, right? She didn't understand how the internet business worked. She didn't understand what EPC, CPC meant. But now she has made over $600,000 in the past 4 months. She retired her parents. She left her job. And that's what I want for you. So if you decide to click learn more below, it's a free training. We're going to show you how to go from $0 on the internet. It doesn't matter if you have a conventional business. It doesn't matter if you have a 9-to-5 job. You could be at home right now disappointed and upset and depressed about your life because you don't know what to do. I want to help you here today. But listen, if you don't take action, if you don't learn more, you'll never understand what it takes to be successful. Listen, this can be your year. I don't know why you're watching this video. Maybe on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, not sure. But I believe everybody on the planet has one opportunity to change their entire life financially. And that's what you're looking for. In the link below, we're going to expose things that internet marketers don't talk about online. We're going to show you very simple ways to start where you are right now to change your bank account. And once you change that bank account, man, you'll be able to fly around the world. Imagine telling your parents they never have to work another day in their life. Imagine putting your children into private schools. Hey, I appreciate you. Click the link below. And this is not going to be me. It's going to be this young, beautiful lady. Right? She's prettier than me here. So click the link below. Register for the training. You have nothing to lose, but you have so much to gain. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Click the link below. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, later.